As we can see, we have x, y, z, and we also have 1, 2, 3, 3 equations. So in this video, I want to show you how to solve a 3x3 system of equations. And this is just a warm-up version of it. So let's get going. Our goal is to have the x value and then the y value and the z value at the end, right? So what can we do? As we can see in the third equation, we have 12z is equal to 6. So is there anything that we can do to get the z value? Sure, because we can just divide both sides by 12, and you see the 12 will cancel, and we have the z values right away, and z is equal to 6 over 12, and that's the same as 1/2. We get the z value, right? And I can now just plug in 1/2 into this z here, and we can work this out, right? And I will be able to solve for the y value. So let's make that happen. Let me write down what we have, which is the 2y, and then minus 8, and the z value, which we know is 1/2. So I will just open the parentheses and put in 1/2 for this z value. At the end, we get 10. And now you see, this is just an equation that we have only one variable. So we should be able to solve this, right? So this is 2y, and negative 8 times 1/2 is minus 4, right? And then this is equal to 10. And what's next? The usual business, you add a number 4 on both sides so they can cancel. And we have 2y, and this is equal to 14. At the end, we can just divide both sides by 2. So we can get the y value. Y is equal to 14 over 2. And of course, that will be 7. We are not done yet, even though we have 2 values already. We also need the x. Well, we just have to plug in this and that into y and z, correspondingly into the first one. And in that case, we can solve for the x value. Let me do that right here. Let me write down 3x minus y. But for the y, we know it's 7. So I'll just put down 7 right here. And we have the plus 6. And the z right here is 1/2. So let me put down a parentheses and then the 1/2 inside. And this will equal to negative 10. Once again, we have an equation with just an x. So we can definitely solve for that equation. So here we have 3x. And this is minus 7. 6 times 1/2 is just plus 3, right? And this is equal to negative 10. And just keep going. Negative 7 plus 3, this is going to be minus 4. So we have 3x minus 4, and this is equal to negative 10. And we just add the 4 on both sides. They will cancel. And you see this is 3x, and that will be equal to negative 10 plus 4. That's negative 6. And at the end, of course, divide both sides by 3. So we get x is equal to negative 6 over 3, which is negative 2. Just like that. At the end, this is how you will write down the answer. X, Y, Z in that order. Write it down as the ordered triple. So we will put this down as negative 2 for the x value, comma, 7 for the y value, and the z, which is 1/2. So this is how you can present your answer. You can also indicate that you have the x, y, z values. This is it.
That's it.